Teka, ito ka na ba? Tsaka kayo nakapihanap.
March 2, 1980, bakit?
Guess what? Guess what? What?
Ano naman?
Hindi, I was born years before you. Ano ba yun?
Talaga?
Oo!
Hindi halata ah.
Ang lamig ka.
Kasi...
He would return every 5 minutes to get more beer, another lumpia, bottle of Coke, of this and that, until you decided to stay till the morning in the kitchen, where the goodies are near, according to you.
You know what? What?
Ano
Made
na
me happy.
naman?
Again, you made me happy.
Ano wrong?
You made me happy.
Nice ka ba?
Alam mo bakit? Kasi yan, the way you talk.
Ano na naman?
What's up with this guy? Other people keep away from me of the way I talk, but this one...
Paano mo ba ako natatagalan?
Well, I'm just doing this para naman mapagbayaran ko yung mga kasalanan ko, no? Ikaw kaya impyerno ko sa buhay.
Impyerno? Impyerno pala.
Oo, talaga. Oo,
Impyerno?
talaga.
Nakita mo ba yun?
Kaya nga eh, sana maulit yun ah. Hey ah! Long time no see! Tagal mo hindi nagpapagda. Kamusta ka na ba? Okay lang. Sino siya? Alam mo, nakita mo yung promise ang ganda.
Okay, sige, nagigets ko na. O, una na ako, bye-bye.
Sige.
I didn't spend my 8 years in classroom just to become a bond class slave. To work, to be an underpaid employee sa taon na umbo.
Alam mo, you should have spent the rest of your life outside sa world and other business. Siguro mas ma-appreciate niya yung itulad ng boss mo. Hindi niya alam na nag-exist ka. Unless you make your tiniest mistake. This time.
Wait, are you like my book?
Ewan ko, I've never met you before.
I mean, you know I exist.
Yun ba? Of course I do. You're gonna pay for this, right? My patience, your problem. We drink, you pay. Ganun kasi eh.
I know. What I mean is, what am I doing?
Ikaw? You're the best ka naman since it's stuck in my throat. The harder I cough, the deeper I hurt. Galing, no? O, anong nangyari?
Can I stay here for a night?
Bakit? Anong problema?
Tara, papakita ko tara.
Ano ba?
Tara, baba tayo dito.
Dude, hindi dyan.
Diyan pala.
Ano ba? Lasing-lasing kasi. Oh, mais ka nga.
Tsamba na ngayon. Hinarang ako ng mga chicken.
Ay, tsamba ka dyan. Mais ka. Ayusin yung buhay mo. Ay, nako.
Sarap mo po.
Oh.
Sarap at nila.
Uy. Ah, ano ba? Aray, ano ba? Di na kaya ako nagpapatawa.
Makakatawa kaya?
Hawakan pa ilong ko. Pais.
I wanted to pull out my hand. Sure, but I couldn't despite my strength.